Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to start by opening Messages app. After that, select one of your chats and click on this icon at the bottom left corner with a photo and a camera. Now you can add your photos right away by clicking on them over here. If you want to, you can also click on Gallery section, select them from here, and click on Add at the top right corner. You can also tap on Gallery, then select Folders. Hold one of your photos and this time click on Select at the top right corner as well. As you can see, wherever you wish to do, your photos will be successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!